Most men go through life only using half of their true potential. But here's the truth. A glow up isn't just an option. It's your wake-up call. There are many ways to change your life, but one of the fastest and most noticeable transformations you can make is a glow up. Whether you're naturally good-looking or not, if you don't take care of yourself, you'll always look like you're falling short. But if you stick to a few simple habits consistently, you'll suddenly start getting noticed everywhere you go. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete step-by-step glow-up guide for men. This isn't about being perfect or chasing some unrealistic Instagram image. It's about becoming the sharpest, most confident version of yourself. Most guys think splashing water on their face in the morning is enough. It's not. Your skin collects oil, dirt, and bacteria every single day. All you really need is a simple routine. A gentle cleanser twice a day, a moisturizer to keep your skin looking alive, and sunscreen to protect you from aging. And hygiene? Don't overlook it. Trim your nails, keep your beard lines clean, and always make sure your breath is fresh. These small details are what separate the guy who just looks okay from the guy who looks truly polished. The haircut you choose can completely change the shape of your face. A great barber is worth more than a closet full of expensive clothes. Once your hair is taken care of, start thinking about style. Forget flashy logos or trends. Focus on fit. Clothes that actually fit your frame will make you look sharper than anything else. A plain white tee and dark jeans that fit perfectly will always beat an oversized designer hoodie. Confidence begins with looking put together, not showing off a brand. This one is non-negotiable. You don't need to be a bodybuilder, but you do need to move. A lean, strong body comes from consistency, not perfection. Start with the basics: push-ups, squats, pull-ups. Stick with them, and your body will respond. Just as important is posture. Stand tall, shoulders back, head high. You can't look confident if you're slouched over. Your presence instantly changes the moment you start walking with purpose. But the real glow up happens in your mind. If you hate yourself, no cologne or designer outfit can cover it up. Start by setting small goals and crushing them. Read books that open your mind, pick up a new skill, or wake up an hour earlier. Every small win builds momentum. Confidence isn't pretending. It's knowing you can handle yourself in any situation. And nothing is more attractive than a man who truly believes in himself. This is what ties everything together. Sleep 7 to 8 hours every night, drink plenty of water, eat real food, and build a morning routine that gets you moving. It doesn't have to be complicated, just consistent. A routine gives your life structure, and structure builds discipline. And discipline is exactly what separates you from the majority of guys wasting their days away. A glow up isn't just about looking better, it's about living better. Skincare, grooming, fitness, mindset, lifestyle. Commit to these, and you're not just upgrading your appearance, you're upgrading your entire life. Start today, not tomorrow, not next week, today, because the best version of yourself is already inside you. All you need to do is unlock it.